savoir si vous pouvez raconter une anecdote chacun sur le tournage de Petite Alliance.
Do you have, it's for both of you, any story, funny story, or I don't know, a prank or a good funny memory that you can tell us about the set of Pretty Little Liars?
Also, I think I might have told this story to a few of you before, but we did this Halloween episode on a train. And they picked the train up on chains, so it would wiggle around when you walked, and it made everyone so sick. And they'd have to give us motion sickness pills, and everyone was like laying down between takes, like, trying not to vomit. So it was a good time. We bonded a little bit on that one, I think.
Il dit, a priori, il a déjà raconté cette histoire à plusieurs d'entre vous, mais en fait, l'épisode d'Halloween qui se passe dans le train, il dit en fait, le wagon, ils l'ont fait tenir par des chaînes pour surélever le wagon et pour pouvoir le faire bouger comme s'ils étaient dans le train. Et du coup, en fait, ils étaient tous genre malades à cause des mouvements, et donc ils avaient tous des anti-vomitifs, les médicaments. Et en fait, entre les prises, on était tous là comme ça, en train d'agoniser tellement on n'était pas bien. Il dit bon, bah, ça nous a rapprochés aussi. Hein.
Yeah, we were always kind of playing pranks on each other. I mean, we would scare each other in each other's dressing rooms. I'd always hide in Shay's shower, and I would pop out all the time. Or her and Troy would be in my room, and they would have all the lights out and scare me. Just a lot of that. A lot of, I don't know, just a lot of weird stuff. There's a lot to remember. It's been seven years of pranks. But yeah, we always made sure that everyone was laughing constantly on set, which was nice.
Ils étaient toujours en train de se faire des blagues les uns des petits coups les uns les autres. Elle dit par exemple quand on est en train de se changer ou dans la douche et tout, d'un seul coup t'en as toujours un qui a peur et qui essaye de surprendre et de faire flipper les autres. Elle dit après il y en a eu beaucoup, hein, c'est quand même 7 ans à être tous ensemble et à se taquiner les uns les autres.
Thank you so much, I love you.
Thank you.
Hello. Brand, how did it feel for you to be tortured by Ashley in season 7 in the dark room on the chair? And Ashley, do you like playing the dark side of Hannah?
I didn't get the first part of the question, sorry.
The first or the second question?
The first part of the part for Brent.
How did it feel to be tortured by Ashley in season 7?
To be tortured.
Honestly, that was the easiest day of work for me I think I've ever done in my life. I sat in a chair for 6 hours with this. And they were like, all right, thank you for a good day's work. I was like, all right, bye. The weirdest part, though, was we did this scene where you come up behind me with a crowbar, I think. Yeah. And you hit me in the head, and every time well, you would miss, but then I would start to anticipate it. So you'd come up behind me and I would flinch. And I remember Chad Lowe, the director, would be like, you can't flinch, man. What are you doing? You just come up behind me, you'd hit me in the head again, and I would flinch. You'd be like, you gotta do it again, you flinched.
But I also had horrendous aim. So.
That thing hurt. It's not it's a fake crowbar, but it's not.
No,
it's not made of paper.
It's not soft. Yeah, those scenes were really fun. Very long to shoot, fun. It was easy because it was just me and Brent, no one else on set, which was really nice. Yeah, I liked playing that part of Hannah. She kind of went through a lot of different phases, I guess, throughout all the seasons. But that was definitely very fun to play a darker side of her.
Donc pour Brent, comment c'était de se faire torturer par Anna dans la saison 7, il dit franchement, moi ma part elle était cool, hein. Je suis quand même resté genre 6 ou 7 heures assis sur une chaise comme ça à attendre, et au bout de 6 ou 7 heures on m'a dit salut Brent, merci beaucoup, voilà, super. Donc pour lui c'était assez simple. Il dit par contre il se souvient que Ashley elle devait arriver avec un faux, enfin genre je sais plus ce que c'était, enfin j'ai pas compris le mot, mais genre une fausse matraque etc. Et il devait lui taper sur la tête. Et il dit, et à chaque fois, au départ il le ratait, et à chaque fois il se disait ça va arriver, et donc quand il l'entendait arriver dans son dos, il avait le réflexe de se baisser, et il y avait le réalisateur qui lui disait non mais tu peux pas te baisser, attends qu'elle te tape. Il fallait qu'il se concentre là-dessus. Et pour Ashley, sur jouer la partie plus sombre d'Anna dans la saison 7, elle dit que c'était bien et c'était assez intéressant de pouvoir... Anna, elle est passée par différentes phases au fur et à mesure de la série. Et là, c'était intéressant de pouvoir aller dans ces parties les plus sombres.
Thank you and enjoy your time.
Thank you, you too.
Hello, Ashley, I have a question for you. Of what are you the most proud in your life?
De quoi est-ce qu'elle est la plus fière dans la vie?
Wow, that's a really great question. I don't know. I think, being able to do what I love has been really amazing, and being given opportunities that I've been given has made me experience a ton of things that I don't think I would have experienced if I hadn't sort of acting. And I don't know. I think I'm just very grateful that I am working and I love what I do. I have good friends and family, and yeah, wow. I don't know what else to say.
Ce dont elle est le plus fière déjà, c'est déjà d'être à même et capable de pouvoir faire ce qu'elle aime, d'exercer le métier qu'elle aime, et ce pourquoi elle est vraiment reconnaissante. C'est-à-dire qu'en plus, ça lui permet d'explorer pas mal de choses, et elle fait ce qu'elle aime, elle a du boulot, elle a une belle famille, elle a de super amis, donc elle est vraiment reconnaissante par la vie pour ce qu'elle a.
Thank you, I love you.
I have a question for Brent. I was wondering if during Dancing with the Stars it helped you with roles you played or in your life?
That's a good question. If it's helped me with any roles, I did a dance movie last year, which probably helped me with that point a bit. Other than that, I mean, it hasn't helped my ability to play roles very much, but it has increased my confidence quite a bit. Because I was like a nervous, anxious kid, and then you get out there and you're dancing in front of 25 million people, and it kind of makes things like this a lot more comfortable. So I'm very grateful for it.
Okay, thank you.
Est-ce que d'avoir fait... pardon.
Thank you.
Est-ce que d'avoir fait Danse avec les stars, ça va. Est-ce que d'avoir fait Danse avec les stars, ça l'a aidé par rapport aux différents rôles qu'il a eu? Il dit oui, clairement, mais c'est surtout que ça l'a aidé à prendre confiance en lui. Alors là, l'année dernière, il a tourné un film de danse, justement, mais sinon, il dit au départ, Tarib, c'était un gamin très anxieux, très timide, et d'un seul coup, il se retrouve à danser devant 25 millions de personnes, et du coup, ça rend ces moments-là beaucoup plus simples.
Hi guys! So my question is for Brent. How do you feel to play the bodyguard of Anastasia Steele?
Oh yeah.
It was an honor. It's interesting, I played a lot of book characters in my career, oddly enough, and Noel was a book character. My first character ever was in Thomas Pearson in the Private Books. I got to play Sawyer from 50 Shades, so it's fun to kind of take these characters that people have built up in their heads and try to bring them to life.